Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, piles of laundry that you shall see today. In the wash it goes. Again. This needs to go in the dryer. I like using the pods. So, score. I have just gotten done with another video, which you got, it will already be up by then. I have got a house to take care of and to clean, and I have got to do more laundry. So I figured, why not take you all on my journey to really show you guys that I have a multitude of lingerie. Not laundry. Lingerie to do. Yeah. And this is all still a part of the decoloring process. Let's get started with self-care before we get into the laundry. One more thing. There's going to be plenty of outfit changes throughout this as I'm spending several days recording this. Think of this as cleaning motivation show enough. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, piles of laundry that you shall see today. My Bible nerds know what I'm talking about. Don't feel left out. It is from Honey Skin. I've been doing that a lot lately with my stuff. This has been getting my skin all the way together, including, and I don't have it with me right now, my Wonder 8 oil to take my makeup off. Makes it smooth as a baby's bottom. I've had no issues yet, thank the Lord. You hear me? As you can see, I wear a whole lot of color. Yeah, brand new. And this is from Clean Logic. Publix. Finna get these legs as well. Sometimes what I like to do, I'm removing the hair off of my arms. I like to go right back behind it with the same body wash I've used. That's why I like to start just showering and then underarms and then shower again. Yes, that is tedious, but it makes sure A, no hair is left behind. 2, Get rid of that depilatory hair remover cream smell. It smells really chemical-like. Y'all know what I'm talking about for those that know and use it. Or do I want to spray? Change of plans. Beet for sensitive skin. That's what I started out with back in the day. Although I mentioned showering after getting rid of the hair underneath the arm. Since I'm doing hair and leg remover. Since I'm doing hair removal for both my armpits and my legs, I'll go in with the shower after the legs are done. In the wash it goes. Again. This needs to go in the dryer. Shoot, I didn't let these dry long enough. These go in the dryer too. And I'm also creating new systems, putting new systems in place for things to be functional for me, so that way I won't have to go through this again. That's just, hey, wear and tear. These are my cleaning gym pants. Yeah. We've got to find something else to do while we wait for these clothes to dry. I thought it being in there for as long as it did was going to be enough to dry it so I can just get to folding. No. I've been wanting to do my glow up week last month. And here we are at February, you know. I have lots of laundry to do, so yeah, you know, truly. Let's do another load. And I like to separate mine by colors. I mostly wash all the colors together. I got to check the pockets for that. Always want to check the pockets. Sweaters, pants, shirts with pockets. Pockets of everything. Habit I've had to push myself with. Now it comes easy. Most of these I buy from Shein. That is a bit too full. That is a bit too full. I'll have to do several loads on today, which will continue throughout the week. And I like using the pods. So, score. Day 2. I didn't want it to get too late before I started taking the clothes out the dryer, so I let them dry as I slept. Just a tip that you might want to implement, make it easy for you. I'm going to separate these according to what type of clothing they are. So shirts go in one pile, I got any pants go in another, tank tops in another. hungry woman, so I think we are going to call for break time for me to eat.